In this video, we will be looking at how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Apple Pay and seeing if this is something that is possible to do. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in doing some research, I've actually found this article on the Prizepicks Help Center about withdrawing funds. Now on here, as you can see, if we scroll down the page, there is a line down here about withdrawals. Now, as you can see, it says withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Now, unfortunately, at the time of recording, Apple Pay credit cards and Discover debit cards may only be used for deposits and not withdrawals. So at the time of recording, unfortunately, you cannot withdraw money from Prizepicks to Apple Pay. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Now, in the future, this could possibly change, but at the time of recording, as mentioned, you cannot withdraw money from Prizepicks to Apple Pay. So I hope this quick video did clear things up for you, and if this did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.